Hi guys, it's Zach here. I recently got a comment from Horseman Harry saying, "Hey Zach, I'm a real big fan of your Magnus video. As you could probably tell, I heard you mention somebody named Benedict Newton. In this video, can you tell us more about him and the history of the Magnus? I'm quite interested. Thanks again." That's an excellent question, Horseman Harry. I'm going to answer that right now. Now, in 1921, Benedict Newton was born. Now, Benedict Newton is the father of modern Algebra 2. Algebra 2 is a system of science and mathematics dedicated to discovering the mysteries of the known world. In 1943, Benedict Newton had a pen. Now, Benedict Newton dropped his pen. What Benedict Newton observed about the pen is it did not float in midair, but in fact fell to the ground. He called this strange phenomena gravity. Alright guys, so the second thing Benedict Newton went outside once. Now, when he went outside, everything was really hard to see, like this. You see, Benedict Newton was blinded by this big ball of fire in the sky. Now, Benedict Newton saw this big ball of fire and was confused. He didn't know what that was. He called this phenomena the sun. Now, this law of Benedict Newton had more things to it. You see, the stuff coming from the sun, Benedict Newton described as light. He said light was the absence of vision. Now, when light wasn't there, there was a lot of this other stuff. He described darkness as the absence of the sun. While Benedict Newton was outside, he observed these strange things called plants. Now, Benedict Newton tried to discover how these plants were able to stay alive all on their own. He discovered he had no idea. He called this phenomena photosynthesis. Okay, so Benedict Newton had a grandmother. Now, this grandmother one day went to Benedict Newton and said, "You know, Benedict, I'm pretty old." The next day, Benedict Newton's grandmother was dead. Benedict Newton called this strange phenomena everybody dies. One day, Benedict Newton ordered a pizza. Benedict Newton realized that the pizza came in 8 slices. Now, Benedict Newton wanted to know what would happen if he ate 3 of the slices. But there was not a system to figure this out. Benedict Newton promptly rose to the challenge and invented his next law of Newton, math. One day, it was Benedict Newton's son's birthday. Benedict Newton bought a balloon for his son. Benedict Newton knew that balloons could pop, but when he tried to pop the balloon, he realized it wouldn't. Now, when Benedict Newton filled the balloon with air, he was then able to pop it. He called this strange phenomena air pressure. One day, Benedict Newton stumbled across a strange channel on his TV. It was called the Weather Channel. On this channel, Benedict Newton learned that sometimes it rained outside, and sometimes it snowed outside, and sometimes it did neither. He called this strange phenomena weather. One day, Benedict Newton was running an experiment at the library. He set up 3 books next to each other, and then he toppled them over like this. He noticed that when you topple one book, the others followed. He called this strange phenomena chain reactions. One day, Benedict Newton discovered a shiny rock on the ground. Now, this is my personal favorite story of Benedict Newton. You see, he was very upset that this rock was shiny, so he decided to throw it at a vehicle. It stuck to this vehicle, and he called that phenomena Magnus. One day, Benedict Newton was running around his house in socks on the carpet. When he reached the other side of the room, Benedict Newton discovered when he touched something made of metal, he discovered a shock. Now, he called this strange phenomena electricity. One day, Benedict Newton was at the beach snorkeling. Benedict Newton discovered that when he took off his snorkel, he could no longer breathe. He called this strange phenomena oxygen. One day, Benedict Newton was playing with a knife. Benedict Newton accidentally cut himself with his knife. He realized that he didn't like that feeling. He called that phenomena pain. One day, Barry Newton was watching TV, and he realized that the things on his TV were flat, and he could not really grab them. He realized that the things outside of his TV were able to be grabbed and move around. He called this strange phenomena the Z-axis. One day, Barry Newton was being harassed by some of his fellow scientists. He realized he did not like this feeling. He called this strange phenomena bullying. One day, Barry Newton was really hungry. Barry Newton discovered a box with a number input system. When Barry Newton put food in this box and input a number, he discovered that his food would come out cooked. He called this phenomena microwave. Barry Newton is currently 93 years old, and he's not done discovering the laws of the world. So, Horseman Harry, that was a brief description of Barry Newton and his contributions to the world of Algebra 2. Thank you, and see you later.